Electric vehicles are transforming transportation, but one challenge remains: efficiency. What if we told you that a new breakthrough in EV wiring could improve range, reduce weight, and make electric cars even better? Scientists in Norway have developed a game changing solution that could revolutionize the way EVs are built. Inside every EV, there's an intricate web of electrical wiring. Most of these wires are made of copper, a great conductor but also a heavy one. In fact, the copper wiring in an electric car can weigh anywhere between 83 and 369 kilograms. That's as much as 5 adult passengers. And in larger EVs like buses, it's even heavier. The problem is of more weight, which means more energy consumption. The heavier the car, the shorter the range, and that's something EV manufacturers are trying to fix. Enter Norwegian scientists from Sintef and NTNU. They've developed a hybrid metal wiring system that combines copper with aluminum, because aluminum is 3 times lighter than copper but still conducts electricity well. By replacing parts of the wiring with aluminum, EVs can shed dozens of kilograms, improving efficiency without sacrificing performance. But there's been a big challenge. Copper and aluminum don't mix well when welded at high temperatures. They form brittle compounds that hurt conductivity and strength. But this is where the Norwegian breakthrough comes in. Their HYB technology uses low temperature mechanical bonding instead of traditional welding. This prevents weak spots and maintains high electrical conductivity while keeping the structure strong. The result is a lighter, stronger and more efficient wiring system, something EV makers have been looking for. So, how does this new hybrid wiring compare? Traditional copper wiring is great for conductivity, strong but heavy and expensive. Pure aluminum wiring is lighter and cheaper, but weaker and harder to weld. The hybrid copper-aluminum wiring is the best of both worlds, lighter, cost-effective, and just as strong. Now let's talk real-world impact. What does this mean for the future of EVs? For everyday drivers, lighter cars mean longer range per charge and lower costs, making EVs more affordable. For commercial EVs like buses and trucks, this reduces battery size needs and improves energy efficiency, making electric transport more practical. And for Norway, with 89% of new car sales being electric, this tech makes them even more efficient. This could even expand into planes, renewable energy, and other industries. Of course, challenges remain. Scientists are still working to improve heat resistance and mass produce this hybrid wiring at scale. But with advancements like this, the future of EVs looks brighter than ever. So, what do you think? Could this breakthrough lead to longer lasting, more affordable EVs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love staying updated on cutting edge tech, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.